If you've been following the tech world, you've probably noticed that smart glasses are slowly but surely becoming a part of our daily lives. The future is here, and it's worn on your face. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting innovations in wearable technology, the Xiaomi Smart Glasses. With major tech players stepping into the game, how does Xiaomi's offering compare? Is it all hype, or is this the wearable device that will change the way we interact with the world? Stick around as we take a deep dive into the features, performance, and what makes these smart glasses truly unique. By the end of this video, you'll know if the Xiaomi Smart Glasses are worth your attention. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Let's start by talking about the concept of smart glasses. We're all familiar with smartphones, and many of us use smartwatches. But the next frontier in wearable tech is on your face. Xiaomi has created a pair of glasses that do more than just look stylish. They bring the power of a smartphone to your eyes, offering you a glimpse into a future where technology is seamlessly integrated into everyday life. Imagine having the ability to receive notifications, translate text, take photos, and even navigate without ever having to pull out your phone. It's the kind of convenience that sci-fi movies promised, and Xiaomi is bringing it to life. But the question is, how does it actually work in practice? Let's take a closer look. First, let's talk about the design. Xiaomi smart glasses have a minimalist, sleek look that doesn't scream tech gadget. They look and feel like any other pair of high-quality eyeglasses, and that's one of the most impressive parts. They are lightweight, weighing just around 51 grams, which is pretty much the same as a regular pair of sunglasses. When you wear them, they're comfortable and unobtrusive, making them perfect for all-day use. The glasses come with a classic frame design, available in black, with a subtle yet sophisticated look. They're not bulky or clunky, which is important when you're talking about wearable technology. No one wants to walk around with something heavy or awkward on their face. Xiaomi has nailed the balance between form and function, making these glasses something you'd actually want to wear every day. Whether you're heading to a meeting, going for a walk, or just out and about, these glasses don't just perform, they look good too. Now, let's dive into what makes these glasses truly smart, the display. Xiaomi Smart Glasses feature a MicroLED display embedded in the right lens. The display is capable of showing notifications, text, and even images directly in your line of sight. This is augmented reality in its simplest form, giving you the ability to see the digital world overlaid onto the real one. The display itself is small but crisp, with a resolution that's perfect for showing text and icons clearly without overwhelming your vision. The best part? It doesn't block your view of the world around you. You get all the benefits of augmented reality without feeling like you're wearing a giant screen on your face. The micro-LED display is energy efficient, ensuring that you don't have to constantly worry about your glasses running out of battery. Xiaomi has designed this to make sure that all you see is what you need, without compromising your experience or daily activities. So, how do you interact with these glasses? Xiaomi has made sure that the user interface is simple and intuitive. You won't have to learn complex gestures or tap your glasses constantly. Instead, the glasses are controlled using a